You know, it's tough because just having talking heads is not always great. Just having slides can be pretty boring. And frankly, the marketing team or whoever who is putting on these complex webinars is probably not even thinking about what's going to make the best clips. So I'll be honest, the best would probably be something more engaging and customized that's kind of in between a webinar and a podcast and a video. That can be pretty challenging to set up for something that, typically can be done with just slides. But um, kind of some kind of combination of both. And Goldcast makes it really easy to kind of switch camera angles, zoom in on specific speakers. If the slide's boring, you can zoom in on the speakers. If the speakers are boring, you can zoom in on the slides. Um, I think it's kind of like with AI, garbage in, garbage out.